What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Plant Loving J. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I have some repotting to do, so silver sword at Enchanted Garden in Richmond, Texas, I believe. And if I have the name of the place wrong, I'll go ahead and just add it on the screen. But look at her. She is so pretty. She's in a 6-inch pot. So I just want to go ahead and repot her today because she's very, very tight in this pot. Look at this little pot she's in. She was $25 at the plant nursery, and the nursery that I found her at is where I picked up a lot of the plants that I recently planted in my vertical garden. I picked up some kale, collard greens, some stevia, arugula, and some other things that I planted into my vertical garden. And she was in the houseplant section, which I didn't even know they had. So I could not leave her there. Look how beautiful she is. I had a silver sword before, but things got a little disrespectful. So she ended up checking out on me. So let's go ahead and repot her. I'm going to put her in a 7-inch pot. This is one of the pots that I sell on my website, plantlovingjay.com. If you're interested in this pot, it will be linked in the description. I also found some Tabasco peppers today at Lowe's, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to pot these up as well. These are Tabasco peppers. Fun fact, I love hot sauce and I love Tabasco peppers. I love eating them. So I'm really excited to go ahead and try to grow my own. I picked up 2 of them just in case. If I'm successful, I would love to be able to have a lot to pick from. So this is her. And the plants at Lowe's, like the peppers and things like that, are pretty expensive. When I went to Enchanted Garden, these were only like $2, but when I was there, I didn't see any Tabasco peppers, so I just grabbed these because I've been really looking for them, and I'm gonna pot these up as well. Now this plant, this philodendron silver sword, is already propped up on some type of concoction of a pole support or something like that. I'm just gonna leave it on there because it's already attached to it, and it looks like it's growing pretty well. So if it ain't broke, I ain't gonna fix it. Here are her roots. They look very healthy, and this is a really water retention type of soil mix. I'm not gonna disturb the root ball on this plant at all. I'm just gonna drop into another pot. And I'm also gonna try not to break any of its leaves. Let me see if the 7-inch is a good size. So it looks like a good size to me. So this is how she turned out. And this is what she's looking like in her new pot. I'm gonna go ahead and just add some water to her. So I'm gonna plant the Tabasco peppers in this pot here. I think this is a 12-inch pot. And I have my potting soil mix. I was finally able to find some straw at Lowe's. This straw has some really bad reviews, but this is the only thing I've been able to find locally without having to go to like a feed store that's further out from where I live. So I'm just going to use this, and it's going to be in containers, so if anything starts germinating from the hay, I'll just go ahead and take care of it as I see it. I'm not going to be putting this in a garden bed or anything like that, but this is just the straw. I'm going to put this on top of the soil and the peppers to try to keep the soil moist when the sun is out, because you know right now it's cooler in Houston, but it will start warming up very quickly, and I was glad to be able to at least find something. So let me go ahead and get started in planting up these peppers.